Now, I don't know if I have the proper tools in the car to be able to open this packet. I have an extra kit in the car just in case an eyelash come off or I need to fix something, whatever the case may be. True story. I had purchased a pair of my favorite Louis Vuitton glasses that I actually got from a seller on eBay. So again, I went and I repurchased these sunglasses because my other ones were stolen from me, and it's unfortunate. But anyway, I don't know if you guys can see it, and then it's wrapped in just some general plastic, so let's unwrap it. So I was super excited but also upset because my first pair that I purchased myself as a birthday gift. And then you can also see the writing here. If you are interested in learning more about who my sales associate is, go ahead and drop that comment below.